Over the last few years, we've had many requests to get a Kodiak Leather backpack. This pack has been designed around functionality and simplicity and has a reasonable price point. Well, we are happy to introduce the Kobuk roll-top leather backpack. This design was inspired by a roll-top leather duffel bag we came across that was super functional, could handle a lot of gear, and had a bulletproof look about it. The Kobuk roll-top backpack was designed with functionality, durability, and simplicity in mind. True to Kodiak leather form, we wanted this bag to have the same Alaska-ready look to it, while being able to accommodate a wide variety of daily uses and individuals. Whether you're headed up to the mountains for a hike, taking it to the office, or packing this to class, this pack was designed with you in mind. With this campaign, we're offering 3 color options: the antique brown, the midnight black, and the dark walnut. Core features include top grain leather, padded adjustable backpack straps, zippered opening to keep items secure, adjustable buckle closure on the main bag opening, adjustable magnetic buckle closure on the front pocket, zippered side pocket to keep your phone, wallet, or keys secure, easy access open side pocket for water bottle or other smaller items, fully padded laptop sleeve on the back wall of the bag, backpack handle for easy carry, and many more great features that you're going to love. So we're keeping this campaign simple and offering 2 main reward types. The first reward type will be the Kobuk leather backpack in your choice of color. Early bird backers will get the biggest discount and will receive their items the soonest. The second reward type will be the Ultimate Adventure Combo Pack. This pledge level includes 1 Kobuk leather pack, 1 Wanderer leather journal, and a 17-ounce stainless steel water bottle. There are multiple color options available on this water bottle, and you can see our story for the details. With your help, we can purchase materials for our first run of production. Thank you so much for taking your time to check out this campaign. We appreciate your support.